This is Cathedral Falls in Fayette County, West Virginia, near a town called Golly Bridge. It has a tiny, crowded, neglected parking lot, a few vandalized tables, and it's a short walk to the 60-foot falls. You can see the waterfall from the parking area if you are not mobile enough to do a rocky trail, which looked as though it could be very slick if the rocks got wet. It's just 20 minutes or so from the New River Gorge National Park and Preserve's Visitor Center. See the links below for the National Parks page on the falls, a tourism page for the town of Golly Bridge, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.